Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2018 Kia Optima LX. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.4-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a backup camera. We do get some nice silver and black trim along this vehicle. We got the silver rims. We do get blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front, we got that lovely Kia grill. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of trunk space. Got your safety there, and hooks and doodads. You get your storage below as well, which is always pretty handy. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpeted interior, plenty of door space in the back, which is all pretty handy, and we do get cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, a manual passenger seat with plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, memory seat for up to 2 drivers, blind spot, trunk, traction, and gas cap, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 175,829 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You got your toggle-free screen, cruise control, phone, voice, volume mode, playback, lead forward. And looking here, we can go through our service, settings, all that jazz, go for different things. Trip A, trip B, digital speedometer, fuel range, all that jazz. We got our gear select right here, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, drive modes, which do include Eco, Sport, and Normal. We got cup holders and tons of storage with some outlets right here, and it does close for a sleeker look. More storage below. Our climate controls are right here with our infotainment system. You got CD capabilities, storage below, radio and media, AM, FM, SiriusXM, satellite radio, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG10100B, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.